this is your Kalpana. So in this video we are going to see how to apply reduction formula whose integrand is sin power mx into cos power nx. Reduction formula whose integrand is product of sin and cos. Okay. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to, we are having two formulas. When m and n are even, otherwise. Okay. When m and n are even, in the numerator we'll subtract odd numbers. In the numerator we'll subtract odd numbers. In the numerator you'll subtract odd numbers, and in the denominator you'll subtract even numbers. Okay. Like m minus 1. So odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and so on. 7, 9 and so on. These are odd numbers. And if you consider even numbers 2, 5, 6 and so on, you will subtract to the denominator. Okay. So m minus 1 into m minus 3 into m minus 5 into so on into 1 into, now for n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n minus 5 into so on into 1 divided by m plus n into, now what we have to do? We have to subtract the even numbers in the denominator. M plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4, m plus n minus 6 and so on to 2. Okay. Into pi by 2 when m and n are even. We'll multiply with pi by 2 when m and n are even. Otherwise, it's nothing but when m is even or n is odd, or m is odd and n is even, or m is odd and n is odd. Then the formula remains the same but will not include any pi by 2 here. So this is the formula. 2 or 1. 2 or 1. 2 or 1. 2 or 1. When m and n are even, odd, even and odd. Okay. See, you can notice here we are subtracting odd numbers to m and n. And in the denominator, coming to denominator, you will subtract even numbers. Okay. Now let's see some problems. When m and n are even. Problems on when m and n are even. That is, we are going to use the first formula. Okay. So first problem, evaluate integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x into cos power 2x dx. Okay. So if we compare this with the actual formula, you'll get m equals to 4 and n equals to 2. Now, how to apply the formula? Is equals to, now for m minus 1 into m minus 3. Next you'll get m minus 5. 5 which is greater than 4. So you will neglect this because you'll get negative terms here. We need only positive terms. So we'll stop it here. Next, for n, if you consider n, n minus 1. Next you'll get n minus 3. That is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. You'll get minus 1. So you will neglect this also. Okay. Divided by m plus n into m plus n minus 2 m plus n minus 4 m plus n minus 6 and so on. Since m plus n, that is 4 plus 2 is 6, so you have to neglect this. And you can stop it here. You can write up to 4 into, since m and n are even, into you will multiply pi by 2. So this is equals to m minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 1 divided by m plus n. 4 plus 2 is 6 into 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 4. Okay. So this is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1 into 2 minus 1 is 1 by 6 into 6 minus 2 is 4 into 6 minus 4 is 2. So 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6. We'll add something. Into pi by 2. Into pi by 2. So this is equals to pi by 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s 32. So pi by 32 is the answer for this integral. Okay? Fine. So next we'll see another problem. Second one. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Sin power 6x into cos power 4x. Okay. Again, compare these two. You're having m equals to 6 and n equals to 4. Both are even. So you will use the first formula, which is equals to 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 3 into 6 minus 5. Next you'll get 6 minus 7. You'll get minus 1. So you have to neglect all the terms. Next, for n equals to 4, that is 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. And again you'll get 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 4 minus 6 and all. So here you'll get negative numbers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So you'll neglect all these negative numbers. Divided by m plus n. m plus n is 10. 10 into 10 minus 2 into 10 minus 4 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8 into 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10 is again negative. So stop it here. Into pi by 2. Since m and n are even, so you will multiply, you will include pi by 2. I am writing it separately, okay? So this is equals to 6 minus 1 is 5 into 3 into 6 minus 5 is 1 into 4 minus 1, 3 into 4 minus 3, 1 divided by 10 into 10 minus 2, 8 into 10 minus 4, 6, into 10 minus 6, 4, into 10 minus 8, 2, into pi by 2. So this is equals to 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 1 into 3 into 1 into pi, 3 pi. 3 into pi is 3 pi divided by, in the denominator you'll have 2 8s are 16 into 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s 32. 32 into 16. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 2 9 plus 1 11, so 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. So finally you'll get 3 pi by 512. Okay. So this is the answer for this I. Next, third problem. Integral from 0 to pi sine power 4x into cos power 4x dx. Okay. Again, compare with these two. So you'll get m equals to 4 and n equals to 4. M plus n is 8. So this equals to, again, you're having even numbers. Both are even. Again, you'll use the first formula. Okay. For m, 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3. Next, you'll get 4 minus 5, which is negative. So you'll stop it here. Next, for n equals to 4. 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 into 8 minus 2, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 6. Next you'll get 8 minus 8, which is equals to 0. So you'll neglect all the terms, the remaining terms. Since m and n are even, so you have to include pi by 2. So this is equals to 4 minus 1, 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1 into 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 8 into 8 minus 2 is 6 into 8 minus 4 is 4 into 8 minus 6 is 2 into pi by 2. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Now you'll get this equals to 1 into 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into pi is 3 pi over 8 2s are 16 into 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9 into 1 6 are 6. 1 6 256. Integral over 0 to pi by 2 sine power 4x into cos power 4x dx is 3 pi by 256. Okay, fine. So this is all for now. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. We'll see for the second formula in the next video. Okay.